Right, anyone having any problems with the centre seatbelt on a mk8 Fiesta, to get into it, there you go, into it. There's the bolt for the seatbelt. This is the zip, comes all the way down there into there. The zip actually tucks down that hole where my finger is, so if you pull the zip up out of that hole, you can unzip it and then you can undo the clip. That is the clip there, and sort of clips and hooks into that there. As you can see there, hooks under, hooks it together, pull it out. Where the tether is, the carpet is just tucked into the tether quite easily, and there's the bolt. Cheers, Moz it.